Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, architect Lal Bahadur Shastri D. I finished my bachelor's in architecture from UBC. Presently, I am studying Masters in City Planning at Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. Firstly, I would like to thank Dr. P. Pawan Kumar, Head of the Department of Architecture, University Visvesvaraya College of Engineering, Bangalore University, for giving me an opportunity to present our research paper in this International Science Fiction Conference. Thank you, sir. Coming to the research topic, it is architect as a solution for zero-sum game in architecture. An outcome for this would be an architectural facilitation center for architects at Bangalore. So we came up with this research topic 3 years ago while me doing my bachelor's thesis under the guidance of Dr. P. Pawan Kumar sir. We would like to take it further. Coming to the overview of this presentation, we'll be discussing introduction, research question, hypothesis, aim, objectives, literature study, case studies, findings, proposals, conclusions, then references. To the introduction, in the technologically evolving era, the population is growing significantly. The big cities are inhabited by the bigger the city growing means the more construction of buildings and more infrastructure. And less time one has to meet complex needs within the budget, lack of proper information regarding new advancements, market rates, and etc. Like along with these technological advancements, the buildings also evolve and become more complex and technical. The modern sustainability requirements for buildings and a new paradigm for the urban development brought a new task for the current society. For example, provision of energy efficiency in the building, sustainable waste reducing construction methods, urban renewals, universal design, public participation, placemaking, etc. Use of information and communication tools for design. The architect who is a must in the evolving building industry cannot remain a traditional way of practice. There is a need for upgradation in the way practice is done. Need to use the advantage of computational advancements and reduce the repeating the mistakes again and again. There is need to adapt to rapidly growing sector for computer simulated building information modeling and virtual reality technologies into the building and architectural industry, which will have a major impact on architectural industry, which will enable to visualize and easily understand the design. Even the sketches and 2D drawings will come to life in virtual reality. For example, how the software companies work in IT parks, you under a single roof with individual working spaces, shared utilities, amenities, recreation facilities to boost the productivity. As the architects also work similarly, sticking onto the screen, there is need for recreation facilities in the workspace to boost the productivity. Coming to the research question, we formulated 3 years ago, as I discussed before. It is zero-sum game a reality among architects? The hypothesis is by designing a facility which gives architectural facilitation, it will succeed in well-networked global architects forum. Aim, smart mixed-use development under a shared roof for architects to choreography architecture. Objectives, to develop a well-integrated facility for architects which enables them to work smoothly and increase productivity, to enable architects to play a role to convert a zero-sum game in architecture to win-win situation, to bring various advanced technologies in buildings and construction industries under a single roof to ease the process of design and construction, to provide one-stop solution for clients to for all their building and its services needs from design stage approvals, bidding, material selection, and purchase certifications, etc. under a single shared roof. Zero-sum game is a mathematical representation of a situation in which each participant gain or loss of utility is exactly balanced by the losses or gains of the utility of another person. Common terms, if the total gains of the participants are added up and the total losses are subtracted, they will sum to zero. In common terms, the zero-sum game theory, one's win is another's loss. Between, for example, the client and the contractor, money will flow from the client's pocket to contractor pocket. If there is no value added, then it will become a zero-sum game theory. architect who has a potential to play a role between contractor and client and convert the scenario to win-win situation. If we bring architect into the picture in the process, we can he has a potential to convert it to non-zero sum game. Coming to the typical stages involved in construction, like design, pre-construction, procurement, construction on building, commissioning, owner occupancy, project closeout. In these stages of construction projects, good planning at the beginning and anticipation of contingencies will help the entire process of construction to run smoothly. The first three, design, pre-construction, and procurement, are the key stages where efficient planning is required. And the major involvement of architects along with the client and vendors is required. To ease the above three process, all the facilities required can be provided in a single shared roof, which will reduce the time and enables proper coordination between various industries associated with the industry. So by creating a facility which will enable all these three stages to occur at a single place is the process of construction. In a research article, The Future of Architectural Practice, published in Arc20, it says that in the future the architects may work in more consultative networked manner. It says in order to keep up with the practice of pace of practice in the future and face the challenges of interdisciplinary in architectural practice, there is a need for firms to adopt networking, branching, financial and commercial literacy, IT development, integration of architecture education in practice, and developing a culture of practice within a firm. It suggests to break the traditional work process into chunks for which architects can complete small piece of work and charge the fee only for that work, like where the client can get benefit of work getting the completed within a budget and time. This can be possible by well networking and integration of architects and other stakeholders using IC tools. Globalizations uh, are the major urge for networking on the even a larger scale than a firm to a global level. There are 17 sustainable development goals to transform our world suggested by United Nations. Out of these 17 goals, the major goals can be fulfilled by architecture and building industries. Green Building Council says that the most of the sustainable development goals can be achieved through green buildings, like good health and well-being, affordable and clean energy goal, decent work and economic growth, industry innovation and infrastructure, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life on land, partnership for the goals. These goals can be achieved through green buildings as said here. Coming to the various industries associated with architectural industry, like MEPs, roofing and building products industry, building equipment, doors and windows, engineered wood equipment, glass and glazing materials, and allied products. We need to incorporate another industry which is going to play a major role in the future, like IoT and automation, AI and machine learning, reinforcement learning for smart homes. We need to accommodate these smart home, this IoT and automation industry into the building industries. So in the facilitation, we can provide a platform where all these industries can integrate. Coming to the public bodies, uh, which are involved in architecture field, like for profession and education, Council of Architecture and the Indian Institute of Architects. And the body involved in regulating new technologies and building materials in India are Building Material and Technology Promotion Council (BMTPC), and the body involved in green building certifications like IGBC, GRIHA. These are the various government bodies involved in architectural industry. Coming to the statistics of architects in India, according to Council of Architecture, there are around 1 lakh 5,375 registered architects. Karnataka state stands forth at having 7,821 architects in the state, and we can see in 2018-19 there is a rapid increase in new architects in India, and 2020 due to COVID, this number got reduced. Coming to the case studies, the concept of co-working spaces. We did case studies on like WeWork, Workspace, Beehive. These are the co-working spaces. It is an arrangement in which workers of different companies share an office space, allowing cost savings and convenience through use of common infrastructure and utilities. So this concept we can integrate into the architecture field also. Like we can have a common co-working space where the freelance and the small architects can come and work and use the facilities provided. So the outcome, the findings of the case studies, the co-working spaces lead to creative collaboration, power of networking, work or life balance. Implementing the concept of co-working space in architectural practice will boost the productivity of architects, can attract the talented young pool of architects to get together, work, share and collaborate, and contribute to the nation's development. Coming to the design proposals, an architecture facilitation center for architects is proposed. It is a smart mixed-use development under shared roof for architects with all facilities listed below. A shared co-working spaces with advanced well-networked computing infrastructure, well-equipped meeting and presentation rooms to facilitate meetings, updated building material samples library from various manufacturers displayed in a shared roof with price tag, visualization studios equipped with augmented and virtual reality infrastructure to enable the clients and designers to virtually visualize the building and its design. Physical model making facilities equipped with 3D printing, CNC machines, craftsmen, a kiosk for various agencies involved in issuing certifications, building approval, green building certification, etc. Facility to store database of all building plans, models, which can be stored in a cloud platform, which can be easily accessible, and it will facilitate advanced computational research and application in the field of AI and machine learning. Database center consisting of all list of contractors, vendors, their skill, experience, rates, etc., which can be accessible by public, which will ease the process of preparation of estimation and finding the right person or contractor. One of the proposals about the studios equipped with augmented and virtual reality infrastructure to enable the clients and designers to virtually visualize the building and its design. We can have a facility, VR and AR facilities, like it's already being used, like using Microsoft HoloLens, the planners and architects are viewing the city. And one more thing like the virtual model, 3D model, where the architect can come and visualize this building. These facilities can be provided in the facilitation center. Another proposal, providing a rentable co-working spaces for architects and the meeting spaces where the architects and other consultants can come and meet. We can have a 3D printing architecture model making facility in the facilitation center. We can have a building material samples library which will house the various advanced materials from various manufacturers displayed under a single roof. Bringing the various industries related to architecture industry together under a shared roof will enable competitive environment which will benefit clients in various aspects like less time consumption. By intervening architect's knowledge in the process of selection of materials, MEPs benefit the client in selection of latest and advanced one or the cost-effective one. Also, by integrating all the vendors under a single shared roof, it will also act as one-stop solution with varied options. Platform for this platform for architects not even facilitate only architects, It will also facilitate other industries associated with with it and futuristic building technology. The database created will facilitate in planning smart cities and advanced research in architecture, building industries, and AI machine learning. These are the references. Thank you.